Hey, Craig here with Michigan Machinists. Today I'm here with Paul Akers. We're going to do some blacksmithing in his garage, but first he's going to tell us a little bit about his story. So how did you get into blacksmithing, Paul?
Grew up in Kansas City, just went to see a demonstration one day and got hooked. Thought it was real cool to see, started collecting tools. Started with coal forge and anvil, and that carried on to career into metallurgical engineering and brought me up to Michigan for a job.
This seems to be a pretty fitting career for a blacksmither.
Yeah.
So we're standing next to this belt sander, which seems pretty incredible. And I noticed you earlier kind of moving it around to, turn it into different things. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, this is a belt sander I made with the help of Bob from this channel in one of the shops he ran. But it's set up for a hollow grind right now. Actuator to pull the belt. Very quick to undo and flip it over for a flat grind.
Wow, that is very versatile. So now we're here at his forge, and I understand that you made this yourself, so I was wondering if you could kind of explain a little bit about how you made this and how the whole thing works.
Yeah, just framed together with some refractory brakes. Figured out how to build some burners off of simple plumbing parts and using a MIG tip for the orifice. Naturally aspirated. Can't quite weld in it, but good enough for day-to-day forging.
Perfect, let's get this thing fired up. So Paul's been showing us some of his products, and he's got something that's pretty near and dear to him. I see the engagement ring that you made for your fiance. So you want to tell us a little bit about this ring?
Yeah, this was pieced together in tool-making fashion, forming each piece, soldering together, and then finally setting the stones, all made out of platinum. And central emerald cut stone with 2 tapered baguettes.
Well, thanks again, Paul, for showing us around your shop and doing a little bit of blacksmithing with us today. And thanks for checking out Michigan Machinists, guys.